I'm trying to live in the moment. We gotta live in the
Good morning guys! So ngayon, paalis tayo and nagkulot ako ng buhok for a change. And today, pipirma na kami ng kontrata para dun sa parking sa tapat ng bahay namin. And finally guys, kasi ilang months ko rin hinintay yun. So, hiniling ni God yung prayers namin. So, let's go na para mag-contract. Let's go guys! So, yan guys. This is my outfit for today. Top is from H&M. And itong necklace guys, yung binili ko last time. Sinuot ko na rin siya. And jacket is from GU. Then yung bottom is, yung skirt is from GU also, if I'm not mistaken. So, let's go guys! So, may nag-doorbell guys, and yung mga nagbibenta ng mga mansion, yung apartment. And yung bag guys, yung bigay ni ate, yung gagamitin ko. Let's go guys!
提出していただきます。ご覧いただくようになるんですけど、解約届に署名がつしてもらって、その書いていただいてから、
So yan guys, on the way na kami sa Roppongi. Nag-decide sila ate. Nag-decide kami na sa Rigoletto na lang kakain sa may Roppongi. So, see you guys later! So, diba nagkulot ako kanina guys. Medyo nag-fail yung dito niya. Pero dito okay naman.
Wanna show all of your circus. All your jokes come off so ruthless. Bye bye, you can miss me with that shit. I think of you when I'm intoxicated. I don't know why I get frustrated.
Ito na kami guys. Roppongi guys.
Pili pa kayo. Masarap ba yan? Gusto niyo na. Ilan ka kasi, sabi ko, ang sisend talaga para sa good quality. Parang nasuktan ka. Kaso nga lang, magkakaroon naman ka mamahal. Kasi isa na lang yung napay ko eh. Wala tong breakfast. Bukas?
Ito magluto ka.
Hindi naman nagkakain na siya. Hindi pa kami nag-spam. Ano nga nagsakan? Nung manisa lang. Ayoko nung manisa walang tomato.
So yan guys, umorder ako ng Tropic Baby Colada.
Nasa akin yung gamit ah.
Ah. Uy, saan kayo nag-park?
Loki ka.
Pumunta kami dito. Tapos, umakyat ulit kami. Napunta kami dun sa may Kate Spade.
Kate Spade?
Sa mga Tiffany.
That's the party there.
B3.
Napalayo.
Bintang na kami kita-kita.
B1 is funny.
Tapos pagka mapagpapag na puno na yung gamit. Pag ano ka ng bago ka okay.
Cheers! Yan. Walang love it. Umorder kami ng jalapeno fritos. Kain tayo guys.
No.
Yeah, it's insane.
Huh?
I think chili oil on your pita,
I don't like that one.
not spicy enough.
Nahiya yung sili sa sili.
Yan yung kay Tem, guys. Chipotle avocado burger. And yung sa akin is squid ink. Then kay ate.
What do we think?
Don't take the ano.
Yummy. Walang cheese.
Come on.
Ayun na, ayun na, ayun na. Ate, I wanna enjoy my food. Okay. Thanks. Bakit? Ayaw naman magpanan. Ayaw magpanan.
Happy birthday, my nanay.
Happy birthday, na.
Love you so much.
Kala ko mamaya pa.
Alin?
Happy birthday. Yay!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, nanay.
Happy birthday, Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Yay!
Nagpatag isa ko kanya na birthday.
Well,
Pinil ko tuloy.
let's do it before it melts on the cake.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, go.
Ate, patsoy din.
Ayun. Pork knife. I have coffee.
Tiramisu.
Kung sabi ko, ate supo niya pa. I cannot have.
Wala ko nito.
What is it? Try this.
Banana. It's good, but it has coffee.
Oh, it's very good. Powerful.
Ito ang orange.
Ayoko.
Dami mong ayaw. Ito. Kung may pakita yung mukha mo. Ayaw.
Okay lang.
Ayaw, there's one ka na siya.
I don't know.
Very good. Very good. Nice platter.
Ay, may petal.
This one's good. I don't like.
Bigyan mo kaya ano.
Arte.
I don't like.
Grapefruit.
Nanay, I love you. Ito na ako.
Ginaganon ko na nga.
Kananay.
Ginaganon ko na nga. Inunahan pa ako. Competitive ka rin.
一番好きやっぱチョコね。
あこれな。
私も好きでもこれ私だ。
本当に美味しいこれ。
Number 1 kay Tem. Ako ito.
Ako rin ito.
Me it's this one. So good.
Ako kasi bawal ako sa coffee.
I like 1.
Kainin mo to. That's rose. That is rose.
It's edible. It's edible.
Sinabi mo eh.
Hindi ka mapapoison dyan.
You can eat it.
It's edible. It's edible.
Eat it first.
Ah, she's pregnant.
It's edible, right?
Hindi ang ibig sabihin. Pero ano na kalakain niya? Yung rose wine.
Okay guys, tapos na kami kumain and it was worth it. Na-celebrate din namin yung birthday ni nanay. Pero yung drinks na in-order ko this time guys, hindi ko siya masyado nagustuhan kasi parang lasa siyang yogurt. Hindi ako mahilig sa yogurt. So, I will rate it like 3 out of 10. So, ngayon guys, punta kami ng Zara. Zara. Hindi na pala kami pupunta ng Zara sa kaninang Zara guys. Pupunta na lang kami ng Lululemon. And after nito, punta na kami sa Odaiba kasi meron din Zara dun. Kaya baka dun na lang kami pumunta. I saw it. Ito yung bag na binili sa akin ni ate. Tokyo Tower, guys. Naaalala ko, guys, nung mga bata pa kami, like mga high school, junior high school. Every week dito kami ni ate, nag-bonding kasi may sinehan dito, guys. So, dyan kami nagsisine. Tapos, yung bata kami ni ate, may kaibigan kasi si mommy and dyan nakatira, so dyan din kami nag-sleep over. Nakakamiss ng balikan. Sobrang ganda ng loob nun guys, sobrang laki. Kung sana lang one day maging bahay ko na rin yan. So there. But for now, manifest muna tayo. So ngayon guys, on the way na kami sa Odaiba and sila ate, nauna na dun.
I don't know why I get frustrated. I bet love was on your mind. Last night we fell by your side. Oh, you can't deny. I bet you wish it's you and I can see that you still try. Your sweetest dream, but only in your memory. Only in your memory. By your side it's you and me.
Sama na kami guys! Te! Picture tayo, apat. Tinatawag ka ni Tem kanina sa akin. Ate.
Huh? Saan?
Kanina. Then, what is it?
Pero it just happened that, ewan ko siguro blessing in disguise na hindi mo na nabili yun. Bakit ko yung gusto ko talaga?
You want talaga.
Oh, like, I would say, this is the word. This is really worth it.
Okay. So, nakita na ni ate guys yung
Mamaya mo na pakita.
yung gusto niya for her birthday. So, yan guys. Nakabili na ako ng regalo para kay ate.
I'm really happy.
Ewan ko, yung camera to guys yung para kay baby, wala naman masama, pero parang gusto ko sana yung para talaga kay ate.
Ang gusto ko
Pero ito yung pinili niya. Ang gusto ko sa Dior foundation or Lululemon bag. But, I was thinking, hindi naman siya magagamit ngayon. But still, so, hi baby! Ang laki na! Oh my gosh! Go!
And then there's the one who's got more.
Yeah. Bebe, roulette やるよ. Next ate. 一番多いやつがハワイアン。押して。
Nick, go.
Oh my gosh, Hawaiian.
Hawaiian.
To Hawaiian na.
Hawaiian.
Okay.
So Hawaiian kami kakain, guys.
How did you like it?
Yeah, Hawaiian.
Wow.
Where are you? We're here in Hawaiian dining cafe. And we ordered buffalo chicken and fries and great meat combo plate. And last but not the least is this round steak with seafood brochette. And we didn't order drink, guys, kasi sabi ni ate mag-order ba daw kami later. So, I decided na huwag na lang order ng drinks kahit na gusto ko. Gusto ko sana tikman tong tropical fruit nila eh. Kaso, yeah. So, yan guys. Chicken and yung fries. Kain tayo. How is it? Good. Yan ka na ate guys. Wow.
Give me has an umbrella.
Yan guys.
You see, I was right. The food is good here, in general. It's always a safe choice.
In and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games. The situation rotates, and they say communication save relations. Okay, medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way. 'Cause I can see it on your face. I've been tossing, turning, staying up all night long. I've been calling, yearning, wondering what I did wrong.
缶チだったら
あれはクランチ。
5000円なら食べる。
あれは多分クランチ。
あれなんだけど
アリゲーターだよ。クロコダイル。
そうそうそう
美味しかったあれ。
Para mas kaya ko pa Scorpio kaysa sa crocodile.
これもう一個なんだっけ
Warm は warm.
あ、ウォルム無理
でも揚げ物だよ、揚げ。
ウォルム無理
揚げたやつ。
どうするバンコクで5000円揚げる。いや、ダメ
5000っていくら
だから5000円揚げて。
味
いや
私
スコル
食べる。
ピオンだったらどう
スコー
あ、
ピオン
でも
は
大きいやつ食べない。ちっちゃいあるじゃん。それは食べる。Masarap daw yun eh.
Alin?
Yung chichay. Chicharonみたい。
あーずっといい
Parang
まずい
crunchy. とジャンドゥヤのアイスのレギュラーとこちらの生キャラメルのSo yan guys, waiting na lang sa order namin. So nakabili na kami ng Godiva guys and dito te and pauwi na kami. Hinihingal na po si Buntis. Hello guys!
Sabi mo kay Tanda na rigato ne sa present.
Bye.
Sakit sa tinga nun.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Dalita na.
Bye, te!
Lagot ka.
Love you!
Lagot na sa akin yun. Lagot ako.
Ikaw kayo nag-ano, sabi niya, YouTube tayo! Love you!
Ayok, ang ganda ng view doon. Oh. Bird nga lang yung ano ko ngayon.
Oo nga. Dito ka muna, wala pa naman eh.
Buntis, ang hirap. Ang hirap magpa, ano.
Ang ano kasi no, low.
Nakatakot naman to. Love you.
Love you.
Lagot mo, pagagat na ako. Sige na, love you. Bye-bye.
Love you, bye-bye. So, yan guys. Bye na. Yan na guys.
Din.
Bye. Ha? Ha? I'm gonna miss them. Bye. Pareho pala kami tol, guys. So yan guys, pabalik na kami ng bahay and miss ko na sila ate. Miss ko na agad sila. So, see you guys sa bahay.
Don't forget about me and all the things I could give to you, baby. But I guess you can't see, making new memories with me.
And punta rin kami ng supermarket guys kasi wala nang lulutuin para bukas na breakfast and wala na ring itlog kaya isa na lang yung itlog kaya punta muna kami ng supermarket bago kami umuwi. And finally guys, alam mo yung feeling na hindi mo na kailangan maglakad papunta sa parking lot, parking area para lang makauwi kasi this time tapat na ng bahay yung paparkingan namin, so I'm happy guys. Okay guys, so mag-quick haul na tayo sa mga pinamili today. So itong supermarket, bacon, then tofu. Bala ko sisig tofu dito guys. Yan. And tomato. Then bumili rin ako ng green tea guys kasi sabi ni ate maganda raw yung green tea. So, try natin to. Hindi ko pa siya natitikman. Pero, let's try kung ano yung lasa niya. Sabi niya kasi mas healthy daw pag green tea. And, tinapay. And, another tinapay. Tapos, cheddar cheese. Then, itong roast beef. Alam nyo guys, pagpasok sa supermarket, ito agad yung kinuha ko. And guess what? Last one na lang to. Ewan ko, lagi akong nauubusan ito. Masarap kasi guys to, as in. And, sa presyo niya, worth it naman. Worth it yung lasa niya sa presyo. So, yan. And bumili na ako ng toothbrush namin. Tapos, 2 itlog. Yan. And itong milk. Then, para sa supermarket, last but not the least is itong chicken breast. So, yan. Balik muna natin siya. And, bumili nga rin pala kami ng water, guys. Yung isang box na. 6 yung laman nun. And, sa Daiso naman, guys, is cotton. Then, yung panglinis ng toilet. Yan. Ito naman, guys, panglinis ng bowl. Then, itong filter para sa exhaust fan. And, itong lip tint. 2. Yan. Kasi guys, magpapa-box ako. Magpapabalik-bayan box ako. And, bumili na rin kami ni ate ng kung ano-ano. So, ako yan pala yung nabibili ko. And, last but not the least, joke. Itong mask. And, last but not the least, itong, yung maasim. Yan. So, that's it for today, guys. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And please follow niyo ako sa Facebook and sa Instagram. So, see you on my next one. Bye!